We're now going to have a look at how these points are collated and grouped together, and that's using the Point Groups button found on the panel. In here we have a selection of point groups that we have created. If we head down to the one called Design Points Lot Description, you can see we have all of the points that we have created within this short series of videos are listed within here. You can see the reference string, reference code, and any reference grade and added level that has also been assigned. The way that the point group works is that it looks for points that have a code that equals LOT asterisk. Now, if you happen to use the terminology parcel for all of your lots, you could include those as well. So we might go add code equals, and what we can do is put, and it's case sensitive, so it's making sure that we use uppercase and or lowercase. We would need a separate entry if we were going to be using both. We're going to go PAR. That makes sure that we cover any points that have PAR with an asterisk at the end, meaning that we will capture any of those points. When we go back to point list, we're able to actually edit all of these points via this table. So what we'll do is we'll just move the form over to one side here. We'll have a look at point 1. I'm able to edit point 1 by left clicking on the row, go edit selected, edit dynamic position, edit vertical position only. And as you can see here, I'm actually able to edit it through the form. What you're also able to do is to edit multiple points. So if we decided that points 8 and 7 here needed to both reference point 2, we can select them in the form by pressing Control on our keyboard. So I'm going to click on 7 and 8. You may find that you want to turn off the auto zoom here. In fact, that's what I'm going to do to stop it from zooming every time I select a row. So I'm going to just try that again. Left click on 7, left click on 8 with Control down, edit selected, edit dynamic position, vertical only. I do not want to move the horizontal position. Going to select from the drawing point 2. And just say, for example, we want to be 6% above point 2. We can click apply. You can see now if we move the form back into the screen, I'm now 6% above on both of those points. If I go into the drawing and just highlight one of those, you can now see that reference has also now been updated. So any string that's using those Cogo points with those elevations will now be updated. You can also use this form to edit things like the codes. So if you do happen to want to change the fact that this says code 11 to say code 12 or code 13, you can do that by, again, multiple selection, edit selected, and then you can set the code. If you wanted to remove points by multiple selection rather than deleting them in the drawing, you've also got the option to press the delete button down here to remove them.